Okay, so how do you spot hidden potential in properties? So, one of the ways that you can do that is don't just assume just because the property has old carpeting or that it has wallpaper on it that it's not actually worth a lot. Because even though that's the common aesthetic or the present aesthetic right now, doesn't mean that it can't actually have more potential later. The next thing is going to be checking for unused spaces. So if it has a basement or it has even room for opportunity for it to be expanded into additional space and it's worth the investment of actually putting in money to expand the space, then keep that in mind as well because that will actually add to the property value. Research the neighborhood because you don't want to actually flip a property where the property value is low and you make all these adjustments and you make all these renovations and you're actually not able to actually get all of your money out of it. So you want to make sure that you're mindful of the particular neighborhood that you're working with. Look for zoning and expansion potential. So, are you able to turn the property into a duplex? Are you able to actually add more property onto the current parcel of land? So, you want to make sure that you pay attention to these type of things because it can dramatically increase your property value as a potential. The next thing is going to be paying attention to underpriced homes. Just because this particular house or the house next door actually has underpriced, it could be because it went through a pre-foreclosure, or it could be that somebody passed away and they're just quickly trying to get rid of the properties. You want to pay attention to underpriced value homes. Of course, you want to do comps in the area. Speak with your local realtor to see if you can get comps in the area so that you can find out what the current property's value is. But you want to make sure that you keep in mind what could possibly be the reason as to why this particular property has been undervalued. All right. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop a line in my comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.